Daily English Conversation on Kitchen Conversations.
Hey Lisa, have you been cooking anything new lately?
Yeah, actually I have. I tried making homemade pasta for the first time and it turned out pretty good.
That sounds amazing. How did you make it?
I found a recipe online and used a pasta machine to roll out the dough. It was a bit tricky at first, but I got the hang of it.
Wow, I've always wanted to try making my own pasta, but I've been too intimidated. Do you have any other cooking projects in mind?
Yeah, next on my list is learning how to make bread from scratch. I've been doing some research on different techniques and I'm excited to give it a try.
That's so cool. I've never even considered making my own bread, but I bet it's really rewarding. Do you have any tips for a beginner like me who wants to get into cooking more?
I'd say just start small and don't be too hard on yourself if things don't turn out perfectly. You can always learn from your mistakes and try again. And don't be afraid to experiment with different flavors and ingredients to find what you like.
Thanks for the advice, Lisa. I think I might try making a simple pasta dish this weekend. Do you have any recipe suggestions?
Sure, I can send you a recipe that's easy to follow. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me.
Awesome, thank you so much. I'm looking forward to trying something new in the kitchen.
Loving what you see? Make sure to show us some love by liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment down below.